You want to know what this is? This is your next winter jacket. It is fantastic. It comes with Sherpa inside, so it's going to keep you really warm the whole cold season. It comes with pockets inside, which you can actually put your cell phone, for example, because this thing is entirely waterproof. Another pocket right here. I'm going to show it to you right now. You have this really nice and convenient zipper, but also you have the Velcro, so you can actually close it with the Velcro, and the buttons over here has one right here on the upper side area and one right here on the bottom as well. And then you have this really nice hoodie which has Sherpa inside as well, which you can put right here and feel super nice and warm with the Velcro again right here. So you have that, you have the pockets inside, you have the Velcro straps right here in case that you want to put, for example, your watch and have it protected from the rain. You can do that as well. But then let me show you, because I was just like telling you about this one being proof, and it started raining right away, so this is perfect. But if the rain is not enough, take a look at this. Boom. Waterproof, entirely waterproof. It comes in multiple sizes, multiple colors as well. For references, I'm 5'10", I weigh 190 pounds, and this is the size large. Also, by the way, another pocket right here to put some other valuable things you have. But yeah, this one is a size large, multiple colors and sizes. Feels really good, really warm. I'm already sweating a little bit. I think this is fantastic, and trust me, it is gonna be your next winter jacket.